Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
How to win alone. Sometimes in life you must walk alone, not because you want to, but because life gives you no choice. You start something, a dream, a goal, a change. In the beginning, you feel excited. You tell your friends, your family. You hope they will support you. But slowly you realize not everyone understands your dream. Some people doubt you, some people laugh, some simply stay silent. You wait for support, but no one comes. You hope for motivation, but no one gives it. That's when you learn one of life's hardest lessons. If you want to win, sometimes you must learn to win alone. At first, it hurts. You feel lost. You ask yourself, why me? Why can't I have support like others? But then a small voice inside you says, because this is your path and it's meant to make you strong. You start again alone. You study when no one watches. You work when everyone else sleeps. You push yourself even when you feel tired and unseen. And something magical begins to happen. You stop depending on other people's energy. You start creating your own. You stop waiting for motivation. You build discipline. You stop asking for permission. You take action. You learn that being alone does not mean being weak. It means you are learning how to lead yourself, and that is where real power begins. You see, winners are not made in crowds. They are made in quiet rooms, in early mornings, in late nights when no one is watching and no one is cheering. The world only claps when you succeed, but true success starts when you learn to clap for yourself. Winning alone is not easy. It takes patience, pain, and persistence, but it also gives you something priceless, self respect. When you win alone, you realize you don't need anyone to believe in you fast. You just need to believe in yourself enough to start. And once you start, once you keep going, life begins to open doors you never imagined. You attract new people, new opportunities, new energy because the universe respects a soul that refuses to give up. So, if you are working alone today, don't be sad. You are not behind. You are just training in silence for the day the world finally sees your light. Keep your focus, keep your faith, keep your fire. You will win, and when you do, you will know it was all worth it because you learned how to win alone. Now, I will tell you a short story. Maya used to wait for others to join her dreams. She wanted to start a business, go to the gym, and learn English, but she was always waiting for someone to come with her. One day her friend said, I am busy, maybe next week. Maya felt sad, but then she thought, if I keep waiting, I will never move. So she decided to go alone. She studied English for 10 minutes every morning. She went to the gym even when nobody joined her. She worked on her small business plan after dinner by herself. At first it was hard. The room was quiet. The road felt long, but soon she began to feel strong inside. After a few months, Maya saw progress. Her English improved. Her body grew stronger. Her business ideas started to become real. She realized winning alone does not mean being lonely. It means being ready before others arrive. Let me tell you something, it matters. Every small step you take, every silent effort you make is building something powerful inside you discipline, strength, and courage. There will be days when you feel tired, you might cry, you might doubt yourself. But remember, you are not weak because you feel pain, you are strong because you don't quit. The ones who succeed are not the ones who always have support. They are the ones who keep moving even when no one claps for them. So, my friend, don't stop. Keep learning, keep growing, even if it's just one page a day, one new word, one small step, because the quiet work you do today will speak loudly in your future. And when that day comes, when your results shine, when your confidence grows, when people finally notice, you will be ready because you didn't need their support to start. You only needed your own belief to continue.
Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.